Welcome to this inner refuge Yoga Nidra. This is Kira Belviso, and I hope that this Yoga Nidra brings you peace, clarity, and strength. Yoga Nidra is a practice where we allow ourselves to settle into a state of deep, deep rest. We give our bodies and minds permission to relax, to do absolutely nothing. This is something that can be a challenge for us in this hectic world that we now live in. In Yoga Nidra, there is no active participation other than coming into the most comfortable, cozy position possible. A position in which you are able to lie still and deeply relax. Before we get into our optimal position for the practice, let's take a moment to center ourselves into the here and now. Sitting in an upright position, begin to bring your attention to the breath. And now we'll take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now, having come into the present moment, let's settle ourselves in for our Yoga Nidra practice. Taking the time to lay on your back, ensuring that you have enough props, pillows, blankets to make yourself comfortable. You may wish to have a mask or a scarf to cover your eyes. It can be a good idea to put a pillow or a bolster beneath the knees to support your lower back as you lay here for the practice. Lying on your back now, begin to settle in. Taking your time to make yourself as comfortable as possible. As you lie here now, just scanning through the body, from the feet all the way to the head, checking for any areas of discomfort or tension, and moving, wriggling, or breathing into that area to release as much as possible. A final check now of the neck, the shoulders, the back, the legs. Can you make yourself even 1% more comfortable? And settling now into stillness as you close down through the curtains of the eyes. Knowing that there's nothing to do now except allow my words to wash over you as you come to a place of deep, deep stillness. And now, bringing attention to your breath. Just watching, observing your breath now. No need to change it in any way. Your in-breath followed intuitively by your out-breath. Expanding your attention now to the whole body lying here. The whole body lying here. Slowly flowing from the realm of thinking into a realm of sensing. Your breath and body lying here. And as we lie here, bringing to mind an intention for this practice. You may have a personal intention which you wish to state in the present tense, or if not, you may wish to use the following intention. I am cocooned in a veil of calm and serenity. I am cocooned in a veil of calm serenity. Silently now, repeat this intention 3 times to yourself. I now invite your attention to follow the guidance of my voice, knowing that this is all that you need to do at this time. No effort beyond listening is needed, as your body lies here in stillness, taking time to nourish your body, allowing it to relax, allowing it to restore. Allow your attention now to flow from one point in the body to the next, as I mention them. The mouth, relaxing the jaw, the tongue, tip of the tongue, the roof of the mouth, the tip of your nose, the flow of air inside your nose, the space between your eyebrows, the muscles around the eyes, allowing the eyes to soften back now into their sockets. both ears listening. Bringing attention now to the neck, the throat, where your neck meets your collarbones. The right shoulder, right elbow, wrist, palm of the right hand, right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. The waist, right hip, right knee, ankle, the whole foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. The center of the heart. Your left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, palm of your left hand, the thumb of your left hand, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger. The waist, left hip, knee, ankle, the whole of your left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. The whole body. The whole body. And now, witnessing the natural breath in the body, sensing the gentle expansion on the in-breath, emptying on the exhale. Bringing attention now to the left side of the body, the whole of the left side of the body, the entire left hemisphere of the body lying here in complete stillness. Now bring your attention to the whole right hemisphere of the body, the whole right side of the body lying here in complete healing stillness. Moving attention back now to the whole left side of the body, the whole left hemisphere of the body. And now bringing your focus back to the whole right side of the body, the whole right side of the body. Can you allow your attention now to rest on both sides of the body? The whole body together in stillness, left and right. The whole body. Can you bring awareness to both sides equally? Settling your awareness, balanced between both sides of the body. Across the whole body, lying here in complete relaxation and stillness. The inner refuge is a special place, unique to each of us as individuals. A place that we can return to as needed for whatever we need. At times, that might be peace. At times, strength and support. At times, empowerment and expansiveness. As individual and unique as each of us are, as you lie here asking your zone of infinite knowledge, what is it that you need right now? This may be a request to your inner child, or even your physical body. What feeling tone makes you feel supported, at peace, calm, and stable? My inner refuge is a warm, cozy cottage space, perched on a low hill, looking out over the sea. A wood burner in the corner is filled with glowing logs, a golden glow of warmth emanating across the room. Outside, the sun is setting down into the horizon, casting glorious light across the sea. Candles flicker, the furnishings are soft, a welcoming and inviting warm cocoon of soft, gentle velvets and fleece. I can hear the ocean waves crashing against the rocks beneath us, the soft whistle of the wind, and the birds singing their final songs of the evening. The feeling of softness, gentleness, and calm, both physical and emotional, surrounds me and makes me feel secure, stable, and serene. Comforting scents of geranium and bergamot mingling with the scent of the burning wood. A faint background taste and smell of salt in the air all add to the feeling tone of peace and calm. Let us come back now to your place of refuge. What do you need to invoke a space of well-being, a sense of complete safety, complete acceptance? And noticing what comes up for you here. What space are you in? Are you indoors or outdoors? What time of the day is it? What can you see as you look around your own inner resource? Perhaps you are conscious of the light, of the colors, the aura of light around you. Are you alone, or are other people with you? Maybe there's animals or pets present. What can you hear? Sounds near and far. Noises of other people, of animals, birds, nature, or maybe even music in the background. What invokes a sense of well-being for you? What can you feel? Physical sensations that bring you comfort, like a teddy or a blankie may have done as a child. What feeling tones bring you a sense of utter well-being? Perhaps support, stability, peace, calm, clarity, or serenity. Maybe for you, it is a sense of openness, empowerment, or feeling completely present in this moment. What do you need at this moment? What are you doing? Perhaps a loving ritual that brings calm. Or maybe you're doing nothing, basking in peace and stillness. What can you think of that will anchor you to your place of refuge? And as you lie here now in your space of refuge, calling to mind your intention for today and repeating it to yourself 3 more times. I am cocooned in a veil of calm and serenity. And knowing that your inner refuge is there for you at all times. A place that you can return to again and again, knowing the more you do so, the easier it will be to invoke in times of need. Starting now to bring your attention back to the breath. In breath, followed by the natural out breath. Breath that is with you from the moment you arrive into this world. In breath, followed by your out breath. Start to bring your attention now back into your body, grounding down into the surface beneath you, the vast body of air and space around you as you begin to return to the room. Taking 3 deep breaths now, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Starting to bring some gentle movement into fingers and toes. When you're ready, opening your eyes, coming back into your space.